'26 Volvo Futuristic Motorhome, a creation that doesn't just redefine luxury on wheels, it reinvents how we imagine life on the move. This is not simply an RV, it's a vision of freedom, innovation, and elegance brought together in one stunning package. Picture a vehicle that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster, yet is ready for real roads today. From the moment you see it, the sleek aerodynamic lines, bold LED light signature, and sculpted Scandinavian design language make one thing clear. This motorhome was built to turn heads while slicing smoothly through the wind. Step closer, and you realize this is far more than a camper. It's a lifestyle statement, a futuristic sanctuary that brings the comfort of a five-star residence onto the highway. The moment you step inside, the transformation is breathtaking. Expansive panoramic glass opens up the world around you, flooding the cabin with natural light and connecting you with the journey like never before. The interior design embodies pure Scandinavian luxury, with sustainable wood finishes, soft touch surfaces, and modular spaces that change at your command. The lounge flows into a dining suite and effortlessly converts into a plush sleeping area that rivals luxury hotels. Ambient smart lighting adjusts to your mood, and the climate control system keeps every corner perfectly balanced. In every detail, Volvo has built not just a motorhome, but a moving masterpiece of comfort and design. Driving this futuristic motorhome feels more like piloting a spaceship. The cockpit is centered around a full digital display, intuitive controls, and Volvo's next-gen AI assistant. Autonomous highway driving allows hands-free cruising, while the system responds to voice commands for navigation, entertainment, and even adjusting your living spaces. With cutting-edge safety features like collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, every mile is as secure as it is smooth. Parking this giant is no longer stressful thanks to smart auto park that maneuvers with precision. Powering this marvel is a hybrid electric system designed for sustainability and strength. Long-range batteries, fast charging, and a combustion backup mean you can travel farther and cleaner. Integrated solar panels on the roof extend your independence, allowing off-grid adventures without compromise. Whether you're exploring rugged coastlines or quiet forests, the Volvo Futuristic Motorhome ensures you have the energy and reliability to keep going. The 2026 Volvo Futuristic Motorhome isn't just a step forward, it's a bold leap into tomorrow. It proves that travel doesn't have to mean compromise, but instead can blend innovation, sustainability, comfort, and beauty into one unforgettable journey. This is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels. Here at Honest Auto Wheels, we bring you the machines that change the way we see the road. And this Volvo is a vision of the future rolling into reality.